Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, make sure that you go ahead and click that subscribe button and the notification button so you know exactly when my next video drops. So we're gonna get right into the video. Today I'm gonna show you how I do my starter locks. This is the traditional single coil method. So the product that I'm using is by a brand called Influence. It's the Honey Avocado Medium Hold Spritz. I really like this product, and it's because it's not too harsh, it's not heavy on the hair, it's not going to leave a residue or a buildup at all, but it's going to make sure that the actual coils last and hold the entire time until they come back to me. So this is the final look, you guys. This is how your starter locks should look if you're doing the traditional coil method, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video and tuning in. And also make sure that you subscribe, hit the like button, and comment below to make sure that other people can see this video. Thank you so much.